Okay, we're going to be focusing on the two parts of MLA style. So far, what we have done with MLA is worried about the formatting of the paper and putting it in MLA proper formatting. Now we need to get into the style part of it. And there's two parts to that, which is in-text parenthetical citation and the works cited page. So that'll be our focus. This is going to be a series of videos. So this will be part one. You can find this entire document called Updated MLA Packet in the MLA section online. All right, so let's get into the in-text parenthetical citation. You must indicate to your reader not only what works you used in writing the paper, but also what you derived from each source and where the works you found that material. The default for this is citing it with the author's last name and a page number reference to identify the source and the specific location. If you don't have an author, then the default is to cite it by the title of the source you are citing from. If you don't have a page number reference, then you cite it by the paragraph number of the source. And here's the example here. So we have specific quotes starting here and then ending here. Then we have our own two words, and then we have quotes here, and then where it ends as well. And then at the very end of the sentence that we created, in parentheses, we have the author's last name and then the page number, which is what we talked about for that default up here. The parenthetical reference, Townsend 10, indicates the quotations come from page 10 from a work by Townsend. With the author's last name, your readers can find complete information for the source on your works cited page found on the last page of your paper. The second part of MLA style then is the works cited page. Works cited then, this is specifically formatted information about what you read, who wrote it, etc. With this given information, the readers can relocate it if needed. If you cite anything in your essay, then a works cited page is required. Failure to include a works cited page is considered plagiarism. So then let's break down. This is the specific information that is given for this example of a works cited page. We have the author's last name, comma, author's first name, and then if there is a middle initial, then you put that there, and then the period. Right here, we have the title of the source, so this would be the title of a book in this example. This is the publisher. This is the year that it was published, and this is the specific page in which it can be found on. We'll get into more information on the 9 core elements on how you gather this information later on. What you need to focus on right now is both parts of these are vital to avoiding plagiarism. So if you do not have a works cited page or you do not cite it in text citation, then it can be considered plagiarism.